Hello everyone, today, I'm going to show you around our company's demonstration line for the pretreatment of used lithium batteries. You can see that the one next to us is our centralized control room. Here, we can monitor the operation of the production line in real time and control it all in one place. Then, behind me is the whole production line. The individual cells of the used lithium batteries are sent through the feeding port to our crushing system. After being crushed and purified, the batteries will go into our crushing and sorting system. Through this system, we can get the black powder, copper powder, aluminum powder, and steel shells that we need. The waste gas produced during the whole operation will be treated by our exhaust gas system and then discharged up to the standard. The perfect transformation from used batteries to metal powders requires the perfect combination of multiple sets of equipment and multiple processes. If you need it, please contact us.